Hello guys, welcome to the Basics of Python Programming, a comprehensive course for the beginners. My name is Kishore and I am your instructor for this course. Nowadays, we are hearing everywhere like Python, Python, Python. Why Python got such popularity in recent years? Just because Python programming language is more like general speaking language. Anyone can learn Python very easily. If you are a non-computer background guy and want to jump into an IT industry, Python is a good choice to start with. And also, because of its versatility and robust features, Python gained more popularity in IT industry, and it is being used almost in every domain. In this particular course, you will be learning everything you needed to get started with your Python programming. Now let's talk about our course agenda. Before we start learning any new thing, it's good to know the little history about it. Am I right? That's why, as an introductory session, we start with little history about Python, why Python became so popular in IT industry, and what makes Python different from other high-level programming languages. Then we move on to setting up our development environment in both Windows and Mac machine. Then we will write our first Python program in IDLE, which comes along with Python software, and also we'll write our first program using PyCharm IDE. It's a third-party IDE used for Python programming and development, and we'll learn how to execute each and every program. Then we move on to keywords, operators, and variables in Python, followed by basic data types like numbers, string, boolean, and non-type data types. Then Python also supports some advanced collection data types such as lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. We will be having separate session for each data type with proper examples. Then we learn about conditional statements in Python, followed by looping statements in Python. Then we learn about functions like basic built-in functions and user-defined functions in detail. Finally, we go with exception handling in Python, and we end up this course by doing small project with the acquired knowledge in this particular course. So thank you guys. If you have not subscribed to my video channel, please do subscribe and click on the notification bell appearing next to the subscription button so as to get notifications as and when I upload a new video related to Python programming and to make yourself updated. And also, please do like and share with your family and friends who want to learn Python programming. This will be definitely helpful for them. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you on our first session on history of Python and its key features.